In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play spin brawl cards on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you're going to join and it's going to walk you through a tutorial where you play your first card and then you buy your first star drop. Go ahead and place that card down. It'll start earning you some money. Once it starts earning you some money, you need to go ahead and use that to get yourself a star drop. And essentially that is the full basis of the game. The card generates cash. Obviously, the higher rarity card it is, the more cash it's going to generate. Like this guy over here has some really good cards over there and they're generating him a lot of cash. And with that cash, you hit star drops to go in here and you get better drops. For example, I could go ahead and get myself a few rubies real quick. We're going to go ahead and purchase 2 of them. And then let's go ahead and open these up. And hopefully we'll get a ruby card because we really need one. No, it doesn't look like it. As you progress though, you'll unlock better cards. Make sure you are protecting your cards and you are repairing them if available. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.